Hey guys, welcome to this quick video. In this video I am just going to show you guys how to fix your audio settings in Sibelius, because sometimes if you have more than one audio source it can get really jumbled up on the computer. So I want to actually show you how to configure this. So first we're going to go down to the play menu. We're going to go to configuration. We're going to go down on the bottom. It says setup, and then it'll come up with this playback devices panel where you can load your sound libraries in here, or you can put different instrument players in here, VSTs, all that stuff. And then you're going to click down here, audio engine options. It's going to come up with the options that you have for the interface, the outputs, the buffer size, sample rate, latency, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So what you're going to want is the interface. You're going to want to click that drop down menu, and when you click that drop down menu, it actually has a bunch of different outputs you can use. Like I have my Logic headset here, recorded audio device, Zoom audio, aggregate, recorded, telestream audio capture, that's for ScreenFlow, and then MacBook Pro speakers. So we want to make sure our interface is where we want it to be. Mine, I want it to play through the Logitech right now. So that's what I'm going to hit. And then we go and close it. So now we should be able to hear, when you put your instrumentation down, you should be able, and your notes down, you should be able to hear what's going on in your headphones or wherever you decide to put this. All right. Any questions or comments, please comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.